Hey there. Today, grandfather paradox. You build a time machine. You travel to 1920. You meet your young grandfather before he met your grandmother. You remove him from the timeline. Now your father is never born, so neither are you. But if you were never born, who built the time machine? Who traveled back? Who stopped grandfather? If grandpa lives, you exist, you go back. You eliminate him, you don't exist. If grandpa dies, you don't exist, you can't go back, he's safe. Both options destroy themselves. This is the grandfather paradox. It's the central problem of time, travel logic. There are several proposed escapes. Option 1, time travel is impossible. The universe forbids the contradictory loop. Option 2, the past can't be changed. Whatever you do in 1920 already happened. Maybe you tried and failed. Self-consistency principle. Option 3, branching timelines. Stopping grandpa creates a new branch where you don't exist. But the original branch, where you came from, is intact. Multiple worlds preserve causality across timelines. Physics doesn't yet know which is right. General relativity allows closed time-like curves in some solutions. Quantum mechanics is friendlier to branching. Until physics decides, paradox stays. And we keep telling stories about it.